So the projectile is thrown at an angle 60 degree and the velocity is 120 meter per second. So we have to find, we can neglect air resistance, and the G is, let's assume, 10 meter per second square. That's what's given. Instead of 9.8, to ease the calculation, it's given 10 meter per second square. And we need to find how high it goes and how long does it take to go that high. So we know the velocity has two components. One is horizontal and one is vertical. So basically, if I say that this is u, the horizontal one is u cos alpha, if this is alpha, which is 60 degree there, and the vertical one will be u sine alpha. So when we look at height, the equation that will come into play is v square is equal to u square minus 2gh. The acceleration is downwards, so basically it's decelerating initially, so it goes that way and like that, and this one. So this is the maximum height, and at the maximum height the velocity will be 0. The vertical component will be 0, while the horizontal component will be constant throughout the travel of the particle. So v, this one, this and this, these are all the vertical components, so let's call them vy, uy. So and vy, with the final velocity, is 0 at the maximum height. So basically this one, and then this is 120 u sine, so instead of uy I'm writing u sine alpha square minus 2gh. So this one is 2gh, so h will be u sine alpha, or u square sine square alpha 2g. So 120 times sine alpha, which is root 3 over 2, sine 60 degrees root 3 over 2, so I'm writing root 3 over 2 times root 3 over 2, and 120 comes twice as well, and the denominator is 2 is there, this 2 times 10. So basically this is how it looks, and then this one goes away, 2 times 2 4 times 2 8, so 4, this is 3 there, and then these two, and then this one is 60. So basically this will be 180 times 3 there, which is 540 meter. That's the maximum height. When the velocity becomes 0, that's the height, and that will be the maximum height. And the time taken, that can be found by this one, ugt, again vy and uy. So gt, sorry, so t is the time taken. So we now know the velocity. Again this velocity, sorry, this one will be 0 when maximum height. So if we do that, this equation, we solve for t, the t will be the time taken to reach the maximum. So this is 120 times, again, root 3 over 2, and then 10 there. So basically 6 root 3 second. That is the time taken to reach the maximum height.